2025 is here, and it's the perfect opportunity to transform your life. But here's the catch. You won't get to where you want to go by doing the same things you've always done. What if I told you that a few simple, powerful habits could completely change the trajectory of your year? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 life-changing habits that will make 2025 your best year yet. Trust me, after hearing these, you'll be ready to take action right now. So stay tuned, because the last habit will blow your mind. Let's face it, we've all been there. New Year's resolutions come with excitement, but also a bit of doubt. A little fear that maybe, just maybe, this year will be the same as the last. Have you ever felt that? You start strong, but by mid-February, the motivation is gone. So, what's missing? It's not the goals. It's the habits that build the foundation for real change. And today, I'm giving you the tools to stop that cycle. These habits aren't just suggestions. They're the secrets to creating the life you've always dreamed of.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Habit number 1. Start your day with intentionality. If you're waking up, scrolling through your phone, or jumping straight into work, stop. You're losing precious moments that could set the tone for your entire day. Imagine this. You wake up, take a deep breath, and choose how you want to show up. You set an intention for your day, focusing on what's most important. Why does this matter? Because the first few minutes of your morning dictate the next 24 hours. You need to create a routine that aligns with your goals. This habit, although small, will shift your mindset from reactive to proactive. You'll wake up feeling like you have control over your day, instead of your day controlling you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that a little much for me to do every morning? Don't worry. I'm not suggesting you turn into a monk. But trust me, it only takes 5 minutes to feel in control. 5 minutes, you can do that. Come on, you waste 5 minutes scrolling Instagram before bed anyway, right? Let's just flip that into something productive. Habit number 2. Prioritize your physical and mental health. I know, we've all heard it before. Exercise is good for you. Yeah, we get it, right? But here's the hard truth. You can't grow if you're burned out, stressed, or physically drained. Your body is your most valuable asset, and without it, nothing else matters. You need to prioritize daily movement. Something as simple as a 20-minute walk, yoga, or even stretching. But here's the kicker. Your mental health is just as important. The two go hand in hand. Meditation, journaling, or simply taking time off to breathe are key habits that will supercharge your well-being. Are you ready to start taking your body and mind seriously? Your future self will thank you. Habit number 3. Build a growth mindset. This is the game changer, the one that separates those who achieve from those who fall short. Let's talk about failure for a second. We all fear it. But here's the thing. Failure is the fastest path to growth. If you're not failing, you're not trying hard enough. Embrace challenges, learn from mistakes, and above all, never see failure as a setback. This mindset will help you rise stronger every time life knocks you down. If you're someone who shies away from challenges because of fear, it's time to flip the script. Do you feel the urge to quit when things get tough? Yeah, me too. But it's in those moments that the greatest growth happens. Don't just strive to succeed. Strive to learn and evolve. That's how you'll crush 2025. But what about the one habit that will make all of these habits stick forever? Stay tuned. I'm going to share that in just a minute. Habit number 4. Commit to continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and if you're not evolving, you're falling behind. Complacency is the killer of success. Don't let it creep into your life. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or learning new skills, make learning a daily habit. In 2025, aim to learn something new every single month. Imagine how much you'll grow in a year. Imagine the doors that will open, the opportunities that will present themselves, just because you made learning a priority. Feeling stuck? Well, learning is your escape hatch. It's the way out. Don't settle. Grow. And finally, habit number 5. Cultivate gratitude and reflection. You see, what we focus on grows. If you focus on what's wrong, that's all you'll see. But if you choose to focus on what's going right, what you're grateful for, that's the energy you'll attract. Gratitude is the ultimate mindset shift. So, there you have it. The 5 habits. It's all in your hands. But don't wait. The best time to start is now. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me which habit you're going to focus on first. Let's make this year the year you rise, thrive, and ascend. See you in the next video.